Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my experience as a first time Apple Watch owner. Got a super exciting unboxing for you all, the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. This is the latest and greatest iteration of the Apple Watch, and I'm so excited to show you what's inside the box. So let's dive in. The Apple Watch Ultra comes in a sleek, minimalistic look with engraved Apple logo and watch in the front center. I must say, I'm immediately impressed. Packaging is beautiful. Here are the details. The Ultra watch is made of titanium and comes on one size only of 49 millimeters. The strap I chose is Midnight Ocean. By the way, this is not sponsored by anyone except me. I'm the proud sponsor of this Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, let's open the box. As I lift the lid of the box, I'm greeted by the Apple Watch Ultra booklet. The quality of the paper feels nice. It's immediately clear that this is a premium product. We have the booklet, the watch itself, and the strap. Okay, let's see what's in the booklet. First page is basically about different types of straps, alpine, ocean, and trail. Next page is about outside of the watch. Okay, moving on. Different buttons, different watch faces, and in the back some paperwork. Okay, let's open the watch itself. In the front, ooh, it has this nice lifted engrave of the watch itself. On the side, it says Ultra Titanium case. Let's flip it over. Nothing to see here except the pull tags. Let's pull that and reveal the watch. Okay, on the left is the watch and right is the charger, and it says designed by Apple in California with the coordinates printed on it. Wow, it's a braided cable with USB-C. I like this quality. Let's keep this aside and check the watch itself. Here is the moment I have been waiting for, my first Apple Watch. My first impression is it's a little heavier. At home, I wear my Fitbit, and when I'm going out anything fancy, I wear my Radar watch, which is pretty small and lightweight. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with a huge range of features and specs. You can see your notifications and stats at a glance. It's also got a built-in GPS, cellular connectivity, and a water resistance design, making it the perfect fitness and adventure companion, etc., etc. Let me take this wrapper off. There you go. Here is the watch itself. Wow. Okay, definitely the surface area is bigger and I like it, even though it might seem a little big on my wrist, but I like it. Okay, it has different buttons and all those stuffs. I will spend some time exploring all the different features it has to offer. Okay, let's open the strap box. Okay, it's nothing fancy like the watch box, just simple strap printed photo on the front, and in the back, the product details. I bought the Midnight Ocean color. Let's go ahead and open this up. However, I do like the packaging as well. Along with the strap is the literature. Interesting, here is the loop, not attached with the strap itself. Let's go and attach this with the watch. Here you go. I'm going to put the watch on my wrist and see how it feels. The band is made from a soft and comfortable material and it's adjustable, so it will fit a wide range of wrist sizes, and I like it. Setting up the Apple Watch was a breeze. All I had to do was connect it to my iPhone and the rest was handled for me. The setup process is quick and easy, and it didn't take me long at all to get up and running. So there you have it, the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. I'm blown away by the quality and attention to detail that's gone into this product. I'll be spending more time exploring all the different features it has to offer Whether you are a fitness enthusiast, an adventurer, or just someone who wants to stay connected on the go, the Apple Watch Ultra has got you covered. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.